Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be spinning two fidget spinners. There's one, there's two, on top of each other. So I'm gonna get started. So I'm gonna set my camera base here. Easily. Okay, hey. So basically, we're gonna be doing that. So we're gonna start off with the big one, and then balance this one on top of it. It's a I can't do it. I don't know whether this is going to work. Woo! I'll do this again with small one first on top of it. Oh! Okay, that one didn't work well. So we're going to do that, try that test again. Spinning very slowly, but we're doing it. Still spinning, but very slowly. Oh, by the way, shout out to Crimson Eagle 55 and Aaron Tully. Yeah, shout out to those two. Really, shout out to those two people. I'm going to be spinning. Which one's fastest now? I'm going to do this. Oh god. Which one's gonna stop first? Oh god. Okay, this one stopped first, so this one's the one. Okay, so that's the end of my video. I will be doing my videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. On Saturdays, I'll be doing vlogs. Depends what I'm doing. I might be vlogging on Sunday because I'm going to my friend's christening. My brother's friend's christening, so I might be vlogging them. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!